How to fix the issue of can't follow people on TikTok. Firstly, open the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you have logged in into your account. Simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down until you find the free up space. Now select the clear option of the cache section. Select clear. Now you can go back and try following people, but if the issue still remains, you can force a restart of your TikTok application. To do that, simply swipe up from the bottom midsection to the top and swipe up the TikTok page. Now reopen the TikTok application on your device. If the issue has still not been resolved, simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy, and scroll all the way down until you find Report a Problem. And in the search bar, simply type Cannot Follow People. Select the option of Unable to Follow a User. You can read the manual and follow the instructions, or you can simply click on the No and select Need More Help. Simply write down the problem that you are facing along with photos and videos according to your preference and select Submit. And that's it. This is how you can fix the issue of can't follow people on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.